Tinkercad versus FreeCAD. Which CAD software is better? Choosing the right CAD tool can transform how you design and create without the frustration of complex interfaces. We'll explore Tinkercad's simplicity and FreeCAD's advanced features. Tinkercad and FreeCAD are both popular CAD software but serve different needs. Tinkercad is browser-based and beginner-friendly, while FreeCAD is a powerful open-source desktop application designed for detailed parametric modeling. The core difference lies in ease of use versus depth of functionality. Tinkercad is an online 3D design and modeling tool developed by Autodesk, accessible through any web browser. It works by allowing users to create models using simple shapes that can be combined, modified, and arranged intuitively. Its drag-and-drop interface is ideal for beginners and educators, focusing on quick learning and basic design projects. Tinkercad supports 3D printing exports and basic electronic simulation, making it versatile for hobbyists and students. However, it has limitations in handling complex designs or advanced engineering tasks due to its simplified toolset and lack of parametric modeling. It's best suited for users who want fast results without a steep learning curve, such as beginners, educators, and hobbyists looking for straightforward 3D modeling. FreeCAD is a free, open-source, parametric 3D CAD software designed for professional and advanced users. It operates as a desktop application available on multiple platforms, offering a modular architecture that supports a wide range of engineering and design workflows. FreeCAD's parametric modeling allows users to modify designs by adjusting parameters, enabling precise control over complex projects. It includes features like 2D drafting, mesh modeling, and support for plugins to extend functionality. While powerful, FreeCAD comes with a steeper learning curve and requires more time to master compared to simpler tools. It's ideal for engineers, designers, and hobbyists who need detailed control and customization in their models and those comfortable with more technical software. FreeCAD excels in mechanical engineering and product design tasks where precision and flexibility are critical. Tinkercad and FreeCAD serve different user bases with distinct priorities. Tinkercad shines in ease of use, quick setup, and accessibility since it runs in a browser without installation. It's perfect for educational settings, beginners, and simple projects where speed matters. In contrast, FreeCAD offers depth and precision through parametric modeling, suitable for complex mechanical designs and professional workflows. The trade-off is complexity and time investment. FreeCAD requires more technical skill and patience. For example, a student creating a basic 3D print model will find Tinkercad intuitive, while an engineer designing machine parts benefits from FreeCAD's advanced tools. Choosing between them depends on your project complexity and experience level. Choose Tinkercad if you need a straightforward browser-based CAD tool for quick, simple designs without a steep learning curve or software installation. Opt for FreeCAD if you require powerful parametric modeling and advanced features for detailed engineering projects. Its flexibility and precision make it the better choice for professionals and serious hobbyists ready to invest time in mastering CAD software.